Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you have forgotten your PayPal password and need to recover access to your account, then we are here with some steps to reset your password. So let's get started. First thing first, open your any web browser and go to the official PayPal website, paypal.com. After you go to your any official website, on the home page, click on the login button located at the top right corner of the screen. After you tap on the login, below the login fields, you will see a link that says having trouble logging in. If not, then simply write down your email and tap on the forgot password. Now you'll be prompted to enter the email address and tap on the next option available there. Now PayPal will give you options to reset your password. If you have a phone number linked to your account, you can receive a text with a code to reset your password. But people can send an email to your registered email address with instructions to reset your password as well. Depending on the option you choose, PayPal will send you a verification code and enter the code on the PayPal website to verify your identity. And now create a new password and confirm your new password. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.